Never seen anything like this before.
So we're getting a bit of fake tan this evening.
We're in the fake tan mine, aren't
Yes, we are. And I just ripped my waders, look. Sort of an orange leg now.
You've already got your first dose of fake tan.
Yeah. Here we are.
It's a bit of a muddy mine, but it's a particularly long one. But before we get started, be sure to check out some links in the description. We've got a link to my latest book in the description, The Welsh Potosi. Also, make sure to follow us on Instagram. That's lost_mines on Instagram. And then also check out Lewis's Pretty Little Things page as well. The link will also be in the description for that. So without any further ado, let's explore this mine. Let's go that way. This mine, as you can see here, it's a very, very long, dead straight tunnel. It's a long, long crosscut, driven in about 1750. It's quite old. We're halfway along this long, long crosscut, and we've got a very nice anticline here in the roof. You can see how the rock has been folded, the bedding has been folded over like that by volcanic activity millions of years ago. It's a very... Oh, bingo. Look at this. 1823.
Look at this. It's like a W or two V's.
Now then, we know what that is. Look, there's three of them. There's another one here.
Yes.
These are witch marks. The double V.
Wow.
Virgo, Virgin, Virgo. Yeah, the symbol of the Holy Mary. Yeah, I think that it's a double V. So this level in the 1750s, these are obviously, because look at the more recent 1823 there, that's a completely different style. And D, E. Oh, there's more above this as well. Look, there's another number 2 there. There's a whole bunch of them around here. Wow. Oh, look, and there's 1875. Hang on, I'm going to get my head torch off and shine it at an angle. There, 1875.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I can make it out.
1875, yeah.
Very
Wow.
crudely done. And
Very.
there's another double V, is it?
Yeah, so there's
Three of them.
there's a whole row of them.
Wow.
So these are witch marks. These are the second witch marks we found now, aren't they?
Yeah.
After those wheelie ones. These are awesome.
Amazing. There's more here.
So we've had a quick go at trying to clean these, haven't we?
Yes.
So
Very
we've
faint, beautiful double writing.
So we've got J and L E Jones, 1902. 1902. And there's some weird sort of tallying business going on here. Don't know how well it's coming up on the camera, but there's a bunch of tally marks.
There they are.
There they are.
Very thin.
They are, aren't they? But the best one so far is that. Look at that. D. Jones, written in double writing.
Like a signature.
It is, isn't it? With the twirly bits. Look at that S.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And he's got twirls coming down here.
And
then DJ.
May 1902. DJ, May 1902.
I wonder if he put that stemming on the wall there.
Oh, yeah.
I can
Quite possible.
photograph that.
Definitely. There's a WM here as well.
These are wonderful.
Oh, there's another one here. There's JW. Oh, they're all over the place.
Tricky to photograph.
Yeah, they are a bit, aren't
So
they?
faint.
JT there scratched his name out.
You want to check these pictures out on our Instagram, Lost Mines?
You'll see him up close and personal
Yeah,
there.
we have lots of photos on our Instagram page.
Oh, what? How about this then?
Oh, wow.
Check these out. 1760. So that is pretty much, well, the level was only 10 years old when that was done. That is beautiful. MTRTWI 1760. And then this guy here, he was a big cheese in central Wales and in Cornwall. engineer John Taylor, engineer and manager, 1850. He came along and ran a whole bunch of mines in this area during the mid-19th century. John Taylor from Cornwall. I don't know who the others were. That is quite something. 1760, so that's what, 280 years ago. No, 260 years ago. Long time ago. It would take you in 1750 all day to drill one round of holes. There'd be 6 of them in the forehead, in the face of the level. One day to do all that, and then you blast them at the end of the day. So 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. 5 days, 6 days.
Look at that.
Rub marks
Look how high the wagon
from very large wagons.
Huge. And I just spotted something else.
What's that? Oh, a sideways R. That's curious. Found some snot.
You found some what?
Found some snot. Look at that.
Is it slimy?
It's all slimy. Yeah. Al's going to scramble up here, see if there's any workings accessible up there. There you go, he's coming back down. Just a big chamber, was it?
Just a big, huge, circular, bowl-shaped chamber. But you never know.
Absolutely.
You never know. It's always worth a look.
We'll carry on into the main mine then.
Let's go. We have something going on here, look.
Alright. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks like a ladder.
It is.
Ooh. Wow, that looks interesting. Look at that. I think we should go up there at some point.
For sure.
Wow. And look at these launders, these box launders.
Oh yeah.
The water isn't in them anymore, but this would have kept the water off the miners' heads and taken it out of the way over there.
There's a level up in there and they block it all up.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
We're definitely on the load now. We've got a small overhand stope up here that the miners have backfilled. These timbers. These wooden timbers, in fact.
Just about still standing.
Yeah.
There's some weight on top of them.
Have a look.
It's nice to
Actually,
see.
you'll be glad to know it's only a very small stope.
Oh.
There's not much actually piled up on top of it. Well, this level has 2 split personalities. One personality goes north and another one goes south.
Which way are we going?
East. Squidgy, back into the water. Yeah, that's just a trial. And that one too, they're both dead ends by the looks of it. I'll double check the south personality. I'll be back now. Bear with. There's another snotite here. Look. Yeah. Look how a miner just blew his nose.
Wow.
I think you're going to get wet.
Oh, I don't fancy that again. I'm going to get wet anyway going out.
Yeah, oh, that's true.
Not very nice.
No. I mean, fake tan's all good, but in moderate quantities. I'm loving these formations. Very, very nice. Ever so delicate. Ever so pretty. Ooh. Wow. Who needs caves, eh? You get everything in a mine.
Exactly. Who needs caves? Wow, look at the colours behind this.
It's a forest of It's the forest of formations. Water level still pretty high. Well, was. Yeah.
Check this out.
Right. Oh boy.
wasn't very nice.
Well, I'm nice and dry. We are coming up to the golden waterfall.
Amazing, isn't it? It's beautiful.
Welcome to the Golden Falls. The best Gower formation I've ever seen in my life. How about that? An enormous Gower formation with water trickling down over it.
Beautiful.
6 or 7 feet high.
So, how long did it take to form, you reckon?
Oh, 150 years, 200 years. Oh, there's a backdrop as well.
That's pretty quick.
It is really, for a thing of this size. Look at the backdrop. There's another golden waterfall at the back. Wow.
Oh my.
So the whole level is submerged that way because of this formation. The formation has, on its own, dammed up the entire level so that the water... Think about the pressure behind this. The water pressure standing behind that waterfall up to the roof. And it's being held back by this amazing formation. I'd rather not. Isn't it amazing?
That was beautiful.
Nice, pretty little level. Yeah. Wow. Formations are something else. Phew. Gee, look at this, the stalactite and the stalagmite have both joined each other here. It's a bit of an alcove in there. Whew. Goes and it goes. Levels going all over the place. Still going. I think this is a collapse. Yeah. It's a collapse there. Oh, I can barely turn around. And I think that's the end. Look at these bits of floating whatever they are.
Well, that was a cool explore, wasn't it?
That was amazing.
That formation.
Something else.
Yeah, so cool.
We've been in here for hours now as well. There's more to explore, but we're going to have to come back and do it another time because we're actually running out of time right now. So we're going to call it a day, but come back to explore the many more leads that we have in here, I reckon.
Yeah, for sure. Big thanks for all the new subscribers. Keep sharing our channel, keep subscribing. Don't forget Johan's book link in the description. Please check out Lois's Pretty Little Things jewellery making she does. Maybe you'll see a nice gift you can buy for somebody. The links will be there. Please share her pages and check out our Instagram, lost__minds, link in description below.
Hey,
Thank you very much.
thank you.
All the best to you.
We'll see you next time. Ciao for now.